Citronella, scientifically known as Cymbopogon nardus, is an herbaceous plant belonging to the Poaceae family. Native to tropical regions of Asia, it is widely cultivated for its aromatic and insect-repellent properties. From an aesthetic perspective, Citronella is an elegant-looking plant, highly attractive with its vibrant green foliage and upright appearance. It typically grows to a height of 1 to 2 meters, with long and narrow leaves that can reach up to 90 centimeters in length. The plant also produces terminal panicle inflorescences with clusters of fragrant gray-green flowers. Healing properties. Insect repellent. Citronella is well known for its strong lemon scent, which acts as a natural repellent for mosquitoes, flies, and other annoying insects. Citronella essential oil, extracted from the leaves, is often used in insect repellent products like candles, lotions, and sprays. Anti-inflammatory and analgesic. Citronella essential oil also possesses anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. It can be applied topically to relieve pain and reduce inflammation caused by insect bites or skin conditions like acne, dermatitis, or eczema. Natural antidepressant. The fresh and citrusy aroma of citronella has positive effects on mood and can help reduce stress, anxiety, and tension. Inhaling citronella essential oil can promote relaxation and improve mood. Cultivation. Citronella is a plant that thrives in warm and sunny conditions. Here are some key points for its cultivation. Soil. The plant prefers well-drained and fertile soil. Ensure that the soil has good drainage to avoid waterlogging. Sun exposure. Citronella requires a sunny location for at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Make sure to place it in an area with direct sunlight. Irrigation. Water the plant regularly to keep the soil moist but avoid waterlogging. During summer, more frequent watering may be necessary. Pruning. Regular pruning can help maintain a compact plant and promote the growth of new aromatic leaves. Medical benefits associated with citronella tea. Digestion. Citronella tea can help stimulate digestion and reduce gastrointestinal issues like bloating, spasms, and flatulence. Cold and flu. Due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, citronella tea can be used to alleviate symptoms of cold and flu, such as nasal congestion, cough, and sore throat. Anxiety and stress. The refreshing aroma of citronella tea can have a calming effect on the nervous system, helping to reduce anxiety, stress, and promote relaxation. Detoxification. Citronella also has diuretic properties, which can aid in eliminating toxins from the body by increasing urine production. Citronella tea. Fresh or dried citronella leaves can be used to prepare a refreshing tea. Here's how to make it. Harvest some fresh citronella leaves or use dried leaves. Bring a cup of water to a boil. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of citronella leaves to the boiling water. Cover and let it steep for about 10 minutes. Strain the leaves and pour the tea into a cup. Add honey or lemon to sweeten, if desired. Sip slowly and enjoy the benefits of citronella tea. It's important to note that while citronella has various benefits, it's always advisable to consult a doctor before using it for medical purposes, especially if you are taking medications or have pre-existing health conditions.